Hello my dear students, welcome back to the next session of the previous video. Now I am going to resume the previous topic, that is working in Microsoft Excel. Working in Microsoft Excel 2010. A1 is to B. So range. First topic is range. What is range? Right. A selected rectangular block of two or more cells is called a cell range or range. A range is represented by the cell indices of the first cell and its diagonally opposite cell. Let's see examples about range. Suppose that A1 is to B4 is written here. A1 is to B4. It means what? It means कि A1 to B4, that cell will be get selected. That is the range. Suppose that कि A1 is to A4. It means what? A1 is to A4 means A1 to A4, that cell will be get selected. And B1 to B4, it means what? B1 to B4, that cell will be get selected. That is called the range. Next, how to select a range of cells? How to select a range of cells? See first, click in the first cell in the range. Click first cell in the range. Right. Number 2, drag the mouse pointer to the last cell, यानी A1 to B4. ड्रैग द माउस पॉइंटर. ड्रैगिंग का मतलब होता है माउस पॉइंटर को पकड़कर खींचना. उसका एक बटन जो है ना, राइट बटन को प्रेस करते हुए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, खींचते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं ड्रैग करना. या थ्रू द कीबोर्ड्स प्रेस शिफ्ट बटन, SHIFT, शिफ्ट प्लस 4 arrow buttons are available in your keyboards. That is the up, down, ठीक है, फिर then right and left. Suppose that if goes from right hand side, so press shift plus right arrow key. Suppose that if you want to select downward, so press shift plus down arrow key. Shift plus left arrow key, that is used to select the left hand side. Shift plus up arrow key, that is used to select the up cells. Next topic is naming a cell. How to naming a cell? किसी भी सेल का जो है हम लोग नाम कैसे देते हैं? तो फर्स्ट, select the cell which you want to name. Number 2, राइट क्लिक ऑन द सिलेक्टेड रेंज. अपने माउस पॉइंटर से क्या करते हैं, राइट क्लिक करते हैं. देन अपीयर अ डायलॉग बॉक्स, या उसको हम बोलते हैं पॉपअप मेनू. नेक्स्ट, क्लिक ऑन द डिफाइन नेम ऑप्शन. देन अपीयर अ डायलॉग बॉक्स, टाइप द नेम, देन क्लिक ऑन ओके बटन. द सिलेक्टेड रेंज गेट्स अ नेम. Next topic is going on formulas. That is very important. फॉर्मूला का यूज जो है लोग MX एक्सेल के अंदर एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, एवरेज, परसेंटेज, मैक्स, मीन एक्सेट्रा, ये सब चीज निकालने के लिए हम लोग जो है इसका यूज करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी, we can use Excel to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, average, percentage, max, mean, etc. Right? So for this you need to use equations are called formulas. A formula starts with an equal sign. It contains numbers, cell radiuses, cell ranges, and operators. So let's see how to work on formulas. Firstly, column that is the A, B, C and D. 1, 2, 3. Suppose that 2, 3, 4, 9, 32, 2. I want to add cell C1 of two numbers, that is A1 to B1. I want to add two numbers, that is 2 and 3. How can you do this? So firstly, they write equal to sign, then after write sum, brackets, range of cell, that is the A1 plus B1, again close the brackets and then press enter key. Then what can you see on your screen? Result will get appear on your screen, that is the 5. That is clear? I want to multiply two numbers, that is 4 and 9. How can you do this? So here we can write is equal to cell A2 into B2, A2 into B2. Then press enter key. Then the result is 36. Also I want to subtract two numbers. So here we can write is equal to A3 minus B3. Then press enter key and your result is 30. Your result is what? 30. Right? That is through the works on formulas. So next topic is cell referencing. इस cell referencing क्या होता है? A cell address used in a formula is called cell reference. Our cell range in a formula is also called the cell reference. So we can use three types of cell references in formula, such as relative, absolute and mixed. The first one is absolute. First one is relative. What is relative cell? Relative cell is what? Right? Reference. R-E-F-E-R-E-N-C. What is relative cell reference? A relative cell reference is a reference to a cell relative to the position of the formula. A formula with a relative cell reference is seen as you copy it from one cell to another. Let's see example. Suppose that the value is given here. A, B, C, D, that is the field name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 32, 46 and 10 is equal to A1 plus B1 plus C1. A1 plus B1 plus C1. Right? From the cell D1. From the cell D1. The formula in D2. Sorry, the formula in D1 adjusts downward by the one arrow and becomes equal to A2. A2 plus B2 plus C2. That is relative cell is clear. Number 2 is absolute. ABSOLUTE, absolute cell reference. Absolute cell reference. An absolute cell reference is a cell reference that always refers to a particular cells. It does not change when the formula is copied. To create an absolute cell reference, you type a $sign. $sign like this one. $sign. Before the column headings and before the row headings. Column heading से पहले और row heading से पहले. Like suppose that कि A, जैसे कि A1 is the same. So A1 minus, right? A1 minus A1 just like 56, right? Minus dollar is next cell is what? DB1, right? With dollar symbols, right? Next one is a mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference. What is the mixed cell reference? नाम से ही पता चल जा रहा है कि mixed. Mixed का मतलब क्या हुआ? मिला हुआ. A mixed cell reference is a combination of relative and absolute column and row references. To create a mixed references, you type the $sign either before the column heading or before the row heading. So when you enter cell reference in a formula, by default, Excel assumes it is a relative reference.